What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It's been a while. Yeah, I took a 2 week off recording videos and trading. I had lost the computer had shut down, so I don't know if you guys saw, but I put out a post that I couldn't upload any videos, so I'm just getting back set up and getting back started recording videos now. So this is my first video for the year, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support in 2025. We have some great things coming up for 2026. Looking to do some good trades, put out some great content. I hope you guys are here to follow along, and Happy New Year. So let's get right into the video today. So since the last time I took some trade, I think it was somewhere over here. So we went all the way back up and ended the year somewhere up here. Came back down, and now we gone about 6. Today is the 6th, Monday the 6th. No, Tuesday the 6th. So we had this would have been Tuesday, this would have been Monday, this would have been last week Friday. So the first trading day of the year was this one here. We went up, came back down, and closed down here, and then Monday we open and push up like this. So that is how we currently looking. Let me show you on MT5 what this looks like. So this is not showing me an accurate candle because I redid the whole installation of the stuff, so it's not showing me the correct thing. So the previous monthly candle should have been all the way down here, but it's not showing me accurately. So yeah, so the high of the month was up here and the low was all the way down here. So ended the year with some gains, but we didn't get that Santa Claus rally that we were really looking for. So we've been going up still after we had the sell-off, so we pretty much remove all of this. Currently we're back at all-time highs. Let me see what the futures look like. This is actually my first time on the charts, guys, since the new year, really. So let me look back at this. So yeah, man, ES back at all-time high. NQ not really there yet. We have some more to go, but you know, looks strong that we can continue going up. Hold on, let me see if I can resize this. I didn't realize that I wasn't showing the entire screen. So yeah, guys, so like I was saying, NQ still trying to make its way back up. ES at all-time highs. The Dow, let's see what US 30 created new all-time highs and pushing very strong the way how this looks. So looking at the MT5 chart, this is what we look like. US 500 all the way up there, US 30 all the way up in all-time highs, just the same. All the way up in all-time highs, and this is now NQ. We're not quite up there, so we couldn't trade through this fair value gap that we have here. Let's see if I can open this thing. So we couldn't trade through that gap right there. This gap, couldn't trade through it going into herein, and so we rejected from it. and now we're trying to get back up there. So this is what's maintaining the current range. So we didn't break out or anything, so we're still kind of just stuck inside of this range here. So let us see what we get going into the week. Is just the first trading week of the year, so let us see what we actually get. So I'm going to just jump down to today's price action, because it doesn't make any sense that I go over everything that happened for the last couple of days that are weeks that I've been off the chart. So today, London session consolidated through Asian, had a little sell-off during London. Macro gave us a sell, came down, consolidated. We created this low right around 5 a.m. before we got some buys taking us back up here, consolidated again right around 7 a.m. we got another entry for another buy, carrying us up, and by the time we get to New York, the volatility started at here, and this is typical price action this time of year. We're not fully settled as yet, so decent little buy opportunity here. Nevertheless, we have to set some wider stops, but this was a decent buy, and this was the low of the 10 a.m. candle. Actually looking at the wrong chart, but it's the same thing. So NQ, yeah man, it's the same thing. So this could have been low of New York as well as here. This was an entry during the New York volatility little window. We went up. The first macro was too high, so this was 10 a.m. This was in premium, so we came down, and right around 11 we got the low of the New York session really, and this would have been a nice entry to take us higher. So using this level as a fair value gap here, this could have brought us higher. Yeah man, so this was the main entry to bring us higher. This consolidation, and then right around lunchtime, or just before lunch, this is around 11:50 to 12:10, macro gave us another buy during lunch, or we got another buy, and during lunch again still some continuation buys, and we just kind of just move sideways right into the PM session, and right into the back into the overnight session. So that is really it for today's session. Let me look at gold. I took a sell on this earlier, made like 0.5% on the account just to test. So I took a sell right around here. I took a buy first and it stopped me out, so I took a sell. It came down all the way down here, and then this part stopped me out back at break even. I think I bagged like 0.5% on this trade. But gold is pretty much back at all-time highs. So see, wow, the last time I actually mark up this was here. So we took out those highs, came back down, and now we're heading back up again. So these drawings needs to be updated, but I just wanted to really put out a video tonight and try to get back into the groove. So that is it for today's video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.